All right, so this will be your homework for this week. Okay, I'm going to do a video for all the worksheets that you have. Okay, so again, homework is given on Monday and it's due on Friday. Okay, here it says rounding to the nearest 10. Find the number on the number line. Okay, circle the tens. Circle the tens. The number is in between. Okay, so and then round to the nearest 10. So basically, what it means, I have 16. Is that closer to 10 or 20? Excuse me? 20. Okay. Or you could take 53. Okay. What number's in the tens place? 5 or 3? 5. Good, because it's 50. Look at number to the right. What does the 3 say to do to the 5?
Add 1.
Nope. Stays the same. It stays the same. Right here. Here's 3. It says stay the same. So the 5 doesn't change. And replace the 3 with? Zeros. So that's what you do on the first page. And this is on the other side of that. Okay? It says circle the matching number. So I have 200 plus 20 plus 2. Is it 242 or 222?
222.
222. So then I just do that. Okay? I'll do that for all of those. And then look at the bottom section. I know how to write that in expanded form. Okay? I have 907. So what's my first one number? 9 what? 900. Do I have any tens? No. Just put a 0 there or leave it blank. Do I have any ones? Yes, 7. Okay? And then the bottom section, it says, what is the value? Oh, what number's underlined? 7. Okay, what would be the value of this number right here? 178. What would be the value of 7? 70. I just add a 0. Okay? That's that one. Okay, now I'm going to give you another worksheet that's just extra math practice, okay? So here it says write the number in the missing number. So look here, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What comes next? 12. Then I'm counting by 2, so this would be 14. And then you do the rest of those. And then the bottom section says which number is bigger. So if I have this, write the number 1 bigger than. Okay. So if I have 27, what's 1 bigger than that? 1 bigger than that? 28. If I have 38, what's 1 bigger than that? 39. 39. Okay. And then here it says 1 smaller. So if I have 76, what's 1 smaller than that? 75. So then you write 75 right next to it. Okay. Okay. Now this is your reading homework. Okay. So make sure that you read the text and then answer the questions at the bottom. And there's only 4 questions to answer. Yeah, there's only 4 questions to answer. Are we good? Okay. Then I'm going to show you your spelling homework. So the directions for the spelling worksheet says copy each sentence below. Okay. So then you'll take that, and then you'll move up at the top, at the bottom, and then write all the sentences here. And guess what? There's 2 sides to the spelling page. Okay, make sure you do both sides as well. Okay, and your homework is due Friday.